Hi, Tom Walls, Carbide Processors. I want to talk about improving productivity. And let's talk about improving productivity with hand tools. Hand tools are screwdrivers, hex keys, that sort of thing, are relatively inexpensive compared to the cost of labor. And labor, in terms of minimum wage and benefits that you have to be competitive, you need to keep your people as productive as possible. When they're rooting around, looking through your collection of old hex keys, or trying to use something like this beauty, you can see what a lovely, you see that? Yeah, what a lovely twist that has in it. These are genuine Allen wrenches from Eklund. We don't sell these because, among other things, they do that. Anyway, having individual tools for each employee and each project can be a good idea. This is a sack for fastening caps to brackets. This is, what's in this one? 8/32 stainless steel electrical box to frame uses two 11/32 wrenches. Okay, so I like that. I like if somebody goes to do something, I like having all the tools they need right there. A lot of times a special tool can make a huge difference. This is a Felo ergonomic number 2 wrench. Okay, screwdriver. Excuse me, a number 2 Phillips from Felo. The number 2 Phillips is the number 1 replacement screwdriver in the industry. More number 2 Phillips are bought as single tools to replace an old one than any other tool. A lot of that's because a lot of number 2 Phillips come with a cheap set and they wear out and they get nicked and cut up because the Phillips screw is designed to cam out. So people do this. Felo makes a really excellent screwdriver. If you have a project that you get to occasionally, you might consider buying a special screwdriver, a special combination wrench, whatever it is, to make that one go faster. The other thing, these are Bondus hex keys. They're not Allen wrenches because Allen is a trademark and Eklund can sell as Allen wrenches, but these are extremely good. This is a special one. There's a note. Tom, these are the hex keys for your robot video, which I don't know if I ever made or not. We have a program where we donate $500 to a school robotics or a school woodworking shop or Boy Scouts. If it's a nonprofit that works with kids, we've got tools and we've got tools we'll donate to help you. It's the way the program works, $500 worth of retail tools off our website. In this case, lovely lady, but her robotics team got the standard short hex key, okay, about this long. And that worked just fine, putting the robots together. But once the robot was together, it was really hard to get in there and adjust it. So she asked if we donate some of these, and I think we donated a couple of dozen because at the competitions they go around and make friends and whatnot. And she wanted to be able to hand these out to other people, but God bless her. Our team went to nationals, and I think they placed second in their category. We sell it. We didn't understand the whole thing. We celebrated with them, but these are obviously not very expensive. They are excellent quality. You get a hex key that's that long that you can keep using without putting a permanent twist in it. You've got really good steel. So it makes a huge difference. The right tool, these couple bucks buy you a lot of them. So that is it. Hand tools. You really need good hand tools. Check your hand tools. We'll be happy to sell you really good hand tools, or one at a time. Buy one of these to replace the one that you've got that's worn out, and see what a really good, let's see, Felo, there it is, Felo Ergonomics. See what a really good screwdriver is like. That's it. Thank you. Bye.